Okay, part 10 on Project Dorito. The cars, I drove that car out of here this morning. It's sitting out there. It looks kind of stupid. It's got a silver front bumper on it. I have to, that's going to be one of the next things I do is take that bumper off and paint it. And it's not installed. It's just sitting there like these sides. Nothing's clipped in. That's why it looks a little funny looking there. But yeah, so I gotta deal with these side skirts. I can get them on the car. I've been tripping over these things all week, so I need to get them off the floor, get them on the car, and then the next thing will be taking the bumper off and doing everything you got to do to that and paint it and all that stuff. So that's really all that's left to do on that car. I did do an oil change on it while I had it up in the air yesterday, so that's done. Yeah, I mean that's it. There's only going to be a couple more videos in this car. There's not much to it. So yeah, let's do some plastic welding. This is going to be difficult. Let me show you. So I have to get in. Whoa, let me look at the camera. So you have to get in between this gap right here, and it's not even as wide as like a finger, right? So, like if you look at that, how the hell am I going to get in there? Yeah, it's gonna be kind of a tough deal here. Yeah, so like this guy needs to sit right there. So I somehow need to get in between this without damaging it, right? You can't. That's a painted surface, right? So we need to kind of sneak in here and somehow weld that. That's gonna be tough. We'll give it a shot. So there you go. That's plastic welding all those freaking tabs on. There is not room at all. That's fairly difficult to do it without damaging anything, and I think I got away with it. It looks yeah, it looks pretty good. I don't see any blistering in the paint or anything, so you just gotta be super careful. And they are all stuck on, as you can tell, right? They're not falling off, right? They're probably better attached now than they are when you get them from new, because I put a good chunk of plastic there. So I'm not going to bore you with another one of those. That's enough of that. And then I'll stick them on the car. Fucking yes. Stupid side skirts. Well, that was easy. No. So it seemed to work. I ended up taking all the clips out of the underside too. You probably saw that in the video. And then just putting everything in, setting it up, and just pushing it in. So that looks way better than when I got the car. This was hanging off. So yay, one more to do. I'm not going to bore you with another one of those, but yeah, that's it.